Hi everyone, welcome to kiiff.com. In this video we're going to install Drupal and go through basic theme installation. Alright, we start here in the client area of kiiff.com. We're going to go to the right side and log into cPanel. The domain we're using today is kiiff.net. We go to kiiff.net and refresh the page. You'll see that there is nothing on it right now. In cPanel, scroll down to Softaculous Apps Installer, and we're going to go into Portals and CMS. Alright, we'll scroll down here and find Drupal. And now we're going to go through the installation process. So first we select the version that we want to install. In this case we're going to install 8.6.3. When you're looking through Drupal themes on either on their site or on a third-party site, be wary of the Drupal theme the Drupal version that theme is good for, because certain themes are not compatible with later versions of Drupal. That might be one reason why you would want to select an older version. Alright, choose protocol. In this case we're going to be HTTPS since we have free SSL. Choose domain, it's going to be kiiff.net, and in directory we're going to want to delete that. Otherwise we would have to go to kiiff.net/Drupal8 in order to see our site. In this case we only just want to go to kiiff.net. Cron job, we're going to leave this the way it is, and as it says, if you are unaware of it, leave it as is, so that's fine. Site name is going to be my Drupal. I'll go ahead and leave the admin stuff the same for now, and we're just going to click install. And congratulations, the software was successfully installed. So if we go to kiiff.net now, we see that we have a basic Drupal installation. Now Drupal is a little bit different than WordPress, so if you're not familiar with Drupal, it might be a little bit different in terms of the client or admin area. We'll go to kiiff.net here, type in our admin and password. Alright, and we're in. So it says that we've been a member for 35 seconds. In the top left hand corner here we're going to go to Appearance, and this is where we're going to install our new theme. So it looks like we've got our current theme is Bartik, and our 8.6.3 is the administration theme. There's some theme here, Start, that's not installed. So to install a new theme, we're going to click here, and we're going to install from a URL. So I've already taken care of this. I went to Drupal.org here. And you can go through, let's see, I think it's got a total of 2,000 themes, or just over 2,000 themes right now. I've put in a little bit of filters in the sort here, and I'm going to install Omega. Now something to remember when you're working with Drupal themes is some of them require tools or certain JavaScript plugins or updates or things to run. So it's a little bit like a WordPress theme requiring its own plugins, or maybe its own child theme. So we're going to go here, 8x50 alpha 7, and the tar.gz. So I'm going to right click that and copy the link address. Right, go back to my Drupal admin area, paste that in here, and click install. The directions for any additional tools that you would need are going to be in the documentation of whatever particular theme you choose to install. Alright, the update manager says that it was completed successfully. So we're going to go to install newly added themes. Alright, down here, Omega, we'll just do this one. It looks like this one came with a starter kit. Alright, The Omega theme has been installed, set as default. And now if we go back to the site, here we go. We're on Omega 7, I think it was, for Drupal 8, Drupal version 8. So as you can see, the site is not fleshed out at all. There is perhaps some tools missing that would make this start looking better, and then you would start your customizations. So that's it for how to install Drupal. Thanks for watching.